Hello, Sargun and friends. Today I'm going to talk about my future life. I want to achieve a tremendous success and fulfillment in various aspects. I want to wake up every morning in a beautiful penthouse apartment overlooking a bustling cityscape. The walls are adorned with photos capturing my memorable adventures around the world. Outside of work, I want to enjoy quality time with my loving and supportive family. I want to take frequent vacations to breathtaking destinations, creating lasting memories with my loved ones. I want to be actively involved in a political matter, using my success to make a positive impact on society. Financially, abundance is a byproduct of my own hard work and success. I want to use my wealth wisely, investing in ventures that align with my values and have a potential for both financial returns and positive impact. Ultimately, my goals are not just about personal success, but also about leaving a lasting legacy. I want to aspire and inspire future generations and make a significant positive impact that transcends my own lifetime. Thank you for listening and watching. Goodbye.